Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. My name is Mitsuko, so thank you so much for watching this video. Now today I want to do a really nice glam look, but then also keep it very simple and easy to follow. So keep watching if you want to know the details. So I did one eye off camera. So I'm using the Violet Voss Lacquer Pro palette. This palette is beautiful. If you're looking for a palette that has a really nice color story, this is a good one. It's great also for everyday, and if you want something really nice and glam, you can use this also. I'm using a blending brush. This is from Makeup Forever. I would link everything down below for you. So I'm going to start with Serve, and I'm putting this shade all over my crease and then also creating almost like a wing like this up to my brows and then like that. Okay, then I'm going to use an angled brush, and this is from MAC. This is a 266, and I'm going to use this shade, which is Snatch. It's like a really nice reddish dark brown. So I'm just going to wing my eye with this shade. And this doesn't have to be perfect for now. I just want it to be like a rough, just so I can have an idea of where to put the other shades, because I'm going to blow this out anyway. Okay, using again this brush, I'm going to bring the wing into my crease. Going to take a little bit more of Snatched and then put it into my crease and then blow it out. Okay, and then using Strong, again doing the same thing, going to wing. So using this brush, I'm going to take a little bit of Strong and then put a little bit here, right on the outer part. And then just bring it halfway through in my crease. Blending brush and then blend that. And don't worry if the wing disappears, like you just want everything to be blown out. And I'm using Inspo, and I'm putting that on top of Strong. Just going to blend it in. So on this part of your eye, you're going to put Hustle. And then on top of it, you're going to put a little bit of Serve. And I just want it to be a little bit warmer. That's why I'm adding Serve. So I'm going to line my eyes with the Velour Lash Glue. This is a 2-in-1, and you want it to be really close to your lash line. Nothing big, just very small and thin. All done with the eyes for now. I'm going to put the Milk Hydro Grip. So I'm going to use the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation, which I love. I reviewed this foundation recently. If you're interested, I will link it down below for you. So I'm going to put, let's just say 2 pumps for now. And this is in the shade 4 Yellow 60. Okay, going to put a little bit more. Time to conceal. Going to use the Too Faced Chestnut just to conceal everything. Okay, and to contour, I'm using the Hourglass in Chestnut. Going to highlight with the Makeup Forever Matte Skin Velvet in the shade 4.3. Just a little bit of that. Going back with this brush and just clean it up. I'm going to set my eyes with the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey. And I'm not baking, I'm just setting everything. Dust off everything. Okay, and then I'm going to bronze with Coconutty. For my cheeks, I'm going to use She's a Doll, which is the powdered version of the Patrick Ta blush palette. Just a little bit of that. I don't want the blush to like overpower the look. So I'm going to put on lashes, mascara, all the good stuff, do my brows off camera, and then I'll come back to finish with the lips. So on my bottom lash line, I miss Boss and Serve together just to make it a little bit darker, but not too much. Time for the lips, and I want to try something new. Got the new Fenty lipstick, and I have it in the shade Pose Queen. This is what you get. This is Pose Queen. This is the case. So I'm going to put it together. I'm kind of worried. I'm scared I'm gonna mess it up. So hopefully it's pretty easy to do. Take this. So you're going to push it in there. Clicked. Ah. Okay. This was... I should have just removed this. But anyways, I just ruined the lipstick. Okay, so it's in there. Then I'm going to put that in. Push it in. You just twist this part. This comes out. Hold this. And it's out. I messed up. This is actually pretty hard to understand. I totally messed up. Look at this. But anyway, let's just try this lipstick. I'm so cheesed. Look at this. So I didn't notice when I was putting the lipstick in this container, I didn't notice, but this was already pushed all the way up. So it just squished the lipstick. But anyway. It smells really sweet. Ooh, really like this shade. Definitely gonna have to line my lips with this, but I'm okay with that. Okay, going to put it back in. To be honest, once you get used to it, it's easy, but it took me a minute and I messed up. So again, like this, hold that. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to line my lips with Cork. Okay, I feel like I'm losing a little bit of the lipstick. I'm just gonna take a little bit of what's in the cap because I'm not wasting this. So this is the final look. I wanted this to be very simple, easy, but also glam, and it should be fairly simple to recreate. So let me know what you think down below. Will you be trying this look? Also, I will link all of the products down below for you in the description box. And if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.